Alright, so what we were just doing is we were taking a system of equations, put it into an augmented matrix, and not just getting it into reduced echelon form, but row reduced echelon form. So our final product gives us the actual solution at the end. So this is the order that you would do all of these eliminations in. So what I've done here is I've just numbered off all of the eliminations. E1, I'd want to eliminate that x value, then the second x value, the E2, and then the y value, E3, then this z value, E4, eliminate the z value in the top, and then finally the y value in the first equation. And what we're left with is the identity matrix over here on the left side. And on the right hand side is our actual solutions. In other words, the x is equal to that number, the y is equal to this number, and the z is equal to that number. So start to finish, let's try one by ourselves. Solve this system of equations using an augmented matrix. So we want to first put it into a matrix. A 2, a 4, a 5, put my augmented line, 5, 1, 3, 3, 2, and 2, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so the first thing I want to eliminate is this x value, but notice that it's a 1, so it might be easier to just flip the first two equations. I'm going to do an R1, R2 switch. That way that number is already a 1. So 1, 3, 3, 2, and 2, 4, 5, 5. And then the last equation stays the same, 2, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so now this is the one that I want to get rid of next. And I can get rid of that by doing negative 2 times R1 and adding it to R2. Or, if I look at this, the last two equations have 2's in them. So if I just subtract those things, my x will disappear on that. So maybe that's what I should do. I'll do R2 minus R3. So let me change all of these to negatives, negative, 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 negative. And my new matrix, 1, 3, 3, 2 across the top. The new second row is going to be a 0, a 0, whoa, my y's disappeared, a 1, and then a 3 for my new coordinate over there. And then copy down the original last equation, 2, 4, 4, 2. Now notice that I don't have a y in this middle equation. That means that I'm going to have to switch the second and the third equation. So let's do an R2, R3 switch. So 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, and the bottom equation 0, 0, 1, 3. And notice that this means that I already know what the z value is going to be. It's going to be z equals 3. So now I need to get rid of this 2. And I can do a couple of things. One of them is I can notice that all of those numbers there are even, so I could just take half of all those numbers, and then that leading coefficient becomes a 1. So let's take half of R2. 1, 3, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 2, 1 for the middle equation, the new middle one, and 0, 0, 1, 3. So let's pick this up where we left off, or where we will be leaving off in the next video.